Welcome to Latricia Creates. I am Latricia. In today's video, we're going to create a sublimation pennant using this piece of felt. Let's take a look at the materials we need for this project. For this project, I'm going to use a 12 by 18 piece of felt. I'm going to use my 12 by 24 standard grip Cricut mat, a lint roller, my brayer tool, some heat tape, a sublimation transfer, some heat gloves, butcher paper. I'm going to use my Cricut Maker, and we also need a heat source. I'm going to use a heat press. You ready? Let's make it. I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm ready to start my project. I'm going to go to the top right, click on New Project. Now that I'm in the canvas, I'm going to go over to the center left, click on Images, go to Search. I'm going to search for pennants. I'm looking for a pennant that has two parts to it because I've already printed out my sublimation design and I know exactly what I'm looking for. This is the pennant that I want. I'm going to click on this, go to Add to Canvas. I don't want the blue part, so I'm going to ungroup it. I'm going to delete the blue part. I'm going to turn the white part to black. Now I'm ready to resize it. My sublimation design is 18 by 8.5, I believe, so I'm going to resize this to 17.5 by 8. Now I'm ready to make it. Go to the top right, click Make It. I'm going to make a couple of little adjustments here. That looks good. Click Continue. I'm going to go to Browse All Materials, search for felt. The felt I have is a little stiff, so I'm going to click on Felt Stiff. Click Done. My fine point blade is already loaded in my Cricut Maker, so now we're ready to load the mat and cut out the pennant. The pennant is cut out. Now I'm going to lint roll it and put it on the sublimation design and get ready to press it. I'm over at the heat press. I'm going to press this for 50 seconds at 385. It's pretty hot. I'm going to take it over to the craft table and we'll reveal it over there. I'm back at the craft table. Let's see how this turned out. And here we have it. Oh, that came out really nice. This is really cute. And this little piece is in case I wanted to put a stick on it. I cut this out. I can put a stick in between here and put this on here. And then it can be the kind of pennant that is waved. There we have it, our preschool pencil pennant. So cute. Here's a closer look at our final project. It came out so cute. I just love this pennant. And you know what? I was thinking, there are so many different pennants that we can make. We can make sports teams, cheer teams, school logos, names, party favors. There are so many different things we can make. So I hope you're able to make some. Also, if you love crafting, go ahead and hit that like button. And while you're there, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.